Hello everyone, welcome to part 42 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the products module, and in this video we are going to manage family colors dynamically. Okay, so we are going to manage the family colors dynamically, and these are the steps that we are going to follow. You can find these steps under the video description as well. Okay, so here you can see, like, if we are going to edit any of the product add or edit any of the product, you can see the family color field, and this field is required because there are only few family colors, means the main colors like the red, blue, green, yellow, only the main colors, that are just 8 10 of main colors that we can select, we can show in filters. Okay, so that we can show in filters, like if you will assess any of the earlier website that we have developed so far, like this techdevelopers.in, here there you can see that we have done in the Laravel 8, Laravel 9, Laravel 10. Okay, such kind of website, and then you can like open any of the listing, then you can see the family colors. So family colors will come at the left side. So there are no family colors right now, but we are going to add this time the family colors as well on the left side. Okay, I'm going to open the another website, multivendor.stackdevelopers.in, that we have also done so far, multi-vendor series, in which the vendor as well as the user can able to register, and this is just like Amazon. Okay, so here also we can open the listing, and we are going to find the family colors. So left side, no family, yeah, here are the family colors. So these are the family colors, you can see black, blue, green, red. Okay, so we are going to work on these family colors. Okay, we are going to show only few family colors at the left side filter side. We are not going to show like there are many colors like the sky blue, dark blue, like this. Otherwise there are some we can say the 40-50 colors, the user will get confused. So only the main colors we are going to show, and only like the sky blue, light blue, all these colors will come in blue. Then here if the person will select the blue, then all the blue t-shirt will come up here. Okay, so we are going to work on these family colors. I'm going to close the unwanted windows. So first thing is we are going to create the collection, colors collection, with these field id, color name, status, updated or automatically gets created. So main fields are color name and status. We're going to do okay, id is also automatic. Okay, underscore id is always the column that added by the MongoDB by default. Okay, so we are going to create the color model as well as the migration file together with this command, php artisan make model color, and then -m is for creating the migration file as well. Okay, so I'm going to run the project. First of all, XAMPP htdocs, and this is the project 11, this is our project. I'm going to run this command now. Okay, so php artisan make model color, and then -m. You can see the model has been created successfully, and the migration file also been created. Okay, so both the things have been done. Now I'm going to open the migration file. I'm going to close the earlier files, and we'll open the migration file now. Create color table. Okay, so I'm going to add few of the fields that we want to add. See, we want to add these two fields, rest automatically gets created. So these two fields, color name as well as the status. Okay, after this we're going to run the php artisan migrate command, so that the colors collection will get created. php artisan migrate. So let's see, the collection must get created, and I'm going to open here. We'll refresh the database, and here you can see the colors collection have come up. So I'm going to add some dummy colors now. I'm going to run this seeder, ColorsSeeder. Okay, so, and I'm going to open this ColorsSeeder file here. So I'm going to add now some dummy colors, and these are the some dummy colors I'm going to add. So I'm going to copy and will paste these dummy colors here, and also I'm going to include the model. And one major thing you are required to do in model, you are required to connect the MongoDB class instead of MySQL class. We are required to update the class here. Okay, so this is the crucial step. So we are required to update the class. I already mentioned this in every video, that whenever you will create the migration value, whenever you will create the model, you need to update the model. Okay, with the MongoDB. Okay, so now it's fine. and now we can modify further, and we can simply attach this model, this color model here in our in Cedar file. Here we can add this model, use app models, and here that color model will come. Okay, so now it has been done. Now we are going to add call this color seeder in database seeder file. Database, I'm going to, sorry, not here, to open the database seeder, and here I'm going to add that uh, color seeder and disable this one, and we'll add this color seeder. We will call this color seeder in this database seeder, and finally we are going to run the final command, that is the php artisan db seed, php artisan db seed. Now see, it will create the seeder, so the entries must be there, all the colors must be here in our colors collection. Okay, I'm going to check and refresh here, and you can see all the colors have come up: black, blue, brown, green. Okay, so finally all the colors have come up here. Now we are going to show the drop down instead of that text field. So for that, first we are going to add this colors function in the color model. Here we are going to add this colors function in the color model, where we are going to show only the, we are going to fetch only the active colors. And this one, finally we are going to update in add edit product blade file, where we can show this drop down, add edit product blade file, where we can show this drop down for the family color. We are going to replace this input field with this okay, so here see, this is the complete field, so we are going to update this complete family color div, and here align it. Okay, we have just called that function that is located in the color model, that we have created in the color model, to fetch all the active family colors that we have added in MongoDB. Okay, we will add the for each loop, and will show only those colors instead of all. The admin is required to select from these main colors. Okay, like if the color is something like the dark red, or some other, like, so the family color will be red only. Okay, so here we are going to save, submit, and then you can see that we able to see the dark red in product color, and family color we able to select this red in family color, because we, the red is the family color of the dark red. Okay, so I hope that you able to do this one at your end. In the next video we will start working on the product alternate images, and then we will work on the product attributes as well. Okay, and finally we will start working on the front end as well very soon. Okay, so please stay tuned for that, and please subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.